Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and I'm here with Mel at Palapa RV Beach Resort, and it's fall on Bolivar. A great time, no traffic, you can get into the restaurants, and man, there's nothing better than drinking coffee out in the morning as the sun comes up and it's cool.
Oh, you know, this morning, it's another day in paradise, Dave. I woke up this morning, I go down on the beach, I watch the sunrise with a cup of coffee, just listen to the waves coming in.
No, and the mosquitoes haven't been bad either.
The mosquitoes aren't bad at night. I go up on the Serenity deck, sit there and have
watch the sunset.
Beverage of choice, watch the sunset. You know, what can you say? It's another day in paradise here. It's not hot.
No.
It's great. The weather's out. The water's blue. The water's really the nicest I've seen it.
For the last about month, we've really had some pretty water here, but today is all about fall and winter. And a lot of times you want to get away from the weekend, maybe a 3-day weekend, maybe come down after work Thursday, stay Thursday night through Sunday night, or maybe come in and take off Monday. Maybe have a good time down here and you don't want to leave Sunday like you usually have to do and you decide to stay. Now you can do it a lot cheaper.
Well, you know, we want to introduce the park to a lot of people that haven't been here, as well as to return customers. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have, just for $100 you get 3 nights.
That's $33 a night. You're not going to find that anywhere at a park with a pool, a margarita machine, concrete pads.
You're not going to have it.
You're not going to have it.
You know, and so for $100, that's a big bang, and you get to enjoy the Palapa. You get to enjoy the weather.
They can come in during the week and spend 3 nights, spend it on a weekend, anytime, as long as you stay 3 consecutive nights.
Well, they don't even have to stay 3 nights,
but they can come in 2 nights.
Yeah, they can come in Thursday and they got Friday, Saturday to totally enjoy the deal. And you know, there's no restriction on what time you come in on Thursday. You can come in at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, so you can leave work, be here and enjoy the whole day, Friday and Saturday, as opposed to coming here Friday at afternoon. Now, let's say that I come down, I'm coming in Thursday night because I want to use the 3 nights. But man, I want to relax. I don't want to walk on your private access beach access. I want to drive a golf cart. You got a special for me on that? Yes, sir. Got a special on the golf carts. The golf carts for that would be $200. So you get the spot, you get the golf cart to drive
for 3 days.
For 3 days, all for $300. You know, come on, guys.
You can't beat that. I mean, golf carts rent for what, $75, $100 a day?
No, the golf carts for people staying with me rent for $150 a day.
$150 a day.
So it's a $450 value for $200.
Man, you can't beat that. Come on. But there is limited availability on golf carts, I would imagine.
I only have 12. So when they're gone, they're gone. And you're going to have to call me direct.
Because this isn't on the website.
This is not on the website. It's only on
this. This is a Bolivar Live special.
Correct.
So you do it so they know they're getting something out of my advertising.
Yeah, right. We call you Uncle Dave.
Yeah. But, you know, fall's a great time down here. We're coming into winter. We've got some great weather ahead. The mornings now, this is probably one of the best times of year, this and in the spring. But even in spring, it seems like it goes from cool, cold to hot. But this time of year, you wake up in the morning, you know, it's cool. You could almost wear a light jacket out. I saw people walking on the beach. It gets warm during the day so you can swim, but then in the evening time again, you don't hesitate to crank up that campfire and have s'mores because it's actually cool again.
That's true. And one other thing I'd like to mention, you know, I'm not saying anything bad about Crystal Beach, but this end of the...
It's quiet.
It's quiet. It's calm.
And I'll say that this is the quiet end of
you don't have the hustle and bustle that they have at
You don't
have
the traffic. You don't have the beach traffic. The beaches down here, in fact, we've been doing some shows on the beaches are pristine. You've got your own private access to the beach, And so if you're looking for a getaway, surprise your loved one or your family with a 3-day. Maybe the kids have a holiday on a Friday or a Monday or 3 days off during the week. Come on down to Palapa RV Beach Resort. $100 for 3 nights stay. If you want a golf cart, it's $300.
Yeah, but let me mention one thing.
Okay. You're making it even better?
Well, no, for $200, it's not even worth bringing your own golf cart and side-by-side down here.
I was going to say, you'll use that in gas coming down and getting back.
So you're not hooking up a trailer, you're not bringing it, you're not going through that. You can bring it if you want.
Right.
You can bring your own golf cart, you can bring side-by-side. You're more than welcome to do that. But for $200, why do it?
Especially if you have a camper and you have to bring a second vehicle with your UTV or your golf cart. You don't have to, and you're going to spend that much in gas probably.
Right, you don't have an excuse not to come.
Great, great. Well, for more information, make sure you visit their website. We've got a link here in the write-up, and make sure you call them for the Bolivar Live special, where you can stay 3 nights with a golf cart for $300.
Yes, sir.
You can't beat it. We're going to head on out. Hope to see you here at Palapa RV Beach Resort. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these 2 businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.